Welcome to Unify, the place to generate financial sustainability, real freedom, real simple. I'm Robin Lynn, and I'm going to walk you through getting a BitPay wallet. Now, the reason why you want a BitPay wallet is because it's secure. We are dealing with fraud protection here, and you have access very quickly to be able to send and receive Bitcoin and transfer funds without any lag time or downtime. So I'm going to walk you through the process click by click. We're going to get the BitPay wallet, you're going to sign up for an account, and we are going to get you going so that you can generate financial sustainability and make a bigger difference. I am using my iPhone right now, and we are going to be able to get you guys your BitPay wallet. So go ahead and in your iPhone, your smartphone, whatever device you have, go ahead and type in bitpay.com, and you're going to see a screen just like this. Go ahead and click Start Now. So as we come up to this first screen, you will see BitPay. There's a login. It says Get Started with BitPay, a BitPay card account, a business account, and then underneath it says Get a Bitcoin wallet. The last thing all the way at the bottom, go ahead and click Get a Bitcoin wallet. Scroll down to the bottom where you see Download Anywhere. Since we're on our mobile device, you can also see it says for desktops as well. What we're going to do is we are going to select which device you have. Since I'm on my iPhone, I'm going to click on iOS App Store. It's taking me to the App Store where I'm going to click Get to install the BitPay Secure Wallet. Now, although I am unable to download the app on my phone because my software is not updating, if you guys run into the same issue or glitch with your phone, that's absolutely fine. I'm going to take you now into the computer, and we're going to go step by step to downloading the app on our computer or our laptop, regardless of which device you have, a PC or a Mac, whichever computer you have. We're going to go through this process. Now, if you are able to download the app on your phone, go ahead and go through the same steps here. You're just going to be able to download this and have it accessible on your smartphone. So what I'm going to do is go to my computer to the actual website. Here we are, bitpay.com. You're going to see at the top it says Wallet. Go ahead and click on Wallet, BitPay Wallet. So go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, and it's going to give us a selection. The iOS App Store is for your phone, Google Play, Linux, Windows. I'm going to do the Mac OS Sierra because I have a Mac. Go ahead and scroll down. We want a BitPay wallet. Click on iOS again, available for OS devices. So it's asking me to do a DMG file. I'm going to save the file. It's downloading here, as you can see. I'm going to open up the file. I'm going to click on where it says BitPay DMG in the downloads. It is opening up. Now it's verifying, opening up the attachment here on my computer. And there it is. So now I will be dragging and moving this into applications. It is moving over. Now it is complete. So I will go over to my applications. I'm going to look for where it says BitPay. There it is. Alphabetical order. I'm going to double click on that. It can't be opened because it's an unidentified developer. So this is what we want to do. We want to right click, and we want to click open from here. And now we're going to click open. So be sure to do that. Be sure to right click, open, and then click open. And now your BitPay wallet will start to open here. Take control of your money, get started with Bitcoin. Now I'm going to get started. Bitcoin is secure digital money. Scan the code to pay. Got it. Currency, yep, makes sense. Your control your Bitcoin. I'm going to create my wallet here. Would you like to protect this wallet with a password? I absolutely will. So go ahead and be sure that you do that as well. Enter a password to encrypt your wallet. This password is only for this device and cannot be recovered. To avoid losing funds, write your password down. Go ahead and enter your password again to confirm so that you spelled it correctly. Now our BitPay wallet is asking us if we would like to receive notifications, get news and updates from BitPay. Let's go ahead and do that and move forward. We're going to back up our Bitcoin wallet. Now it's asking if you take a screenshot, your backup may be viewed by other apps. You can make a safe backup with a paper and a pen. Yes. Enter encrypted password. It's the password that you just created. So go ahead and write this phrase down. Be sure you write it down. This is to protect you. I have written it down. And go ahead and verify the backup phrase. Go ahead and understand that the funds are securely on the device, not the company, that if the app is moved to a device or deleted, your Bitcoin is only going to be recovered with the backup phrase. And go ahead and now your wallet is ready. So now your wallet is stored on this device. So now you're able to move your money in here. So go ahead, we're gonna go ahead and do that. So Bitcoin wallets, personal wallet, services, they have some other great services here. So that's fantastic. So we're gonna go ahead and receive Bitcoin now. And I'm gonna go and log in to GDAX and send some Bitcoin over here. So we're gonna do 279 plus 29.95 equals 308.95 times 1.015. So we'll need $313.58. I'm going to send 320 just in case. So now I'm going to go 320 USD to BTC. 0.049 Bitcoin. So I'm going to send 0.05 Bitcoin just in case. So I'm going to withdraw funds from my GDAX. So I'm going to enter this copied, sending 0.05 Bitcoin. And I'm going to enter in my code from my Google Authenticator, which is Coinbase. And my 0.05 Bitcoin has been initiated. And hopefully here we will see it very, very shortly. And we'll be ready to get going. So hopefully that was helpful. Remember, you are going to log into unify.io, click in sign in, and when you do, you're going to be able to, after signing in, make sure that you see the area to pay with Bitcoin for the product or to pay with a credit card. So since we just got some Bitcoin ready, we're going to be paying with our BitPay wallet. Very soon you will have access to the training. I'm very excited to be able to share this with you. Let's get going. Time to create financial sustainability.